Looking for a complete heat recovery system for a single-family home? Wondering which boxes, ducts, and pipes will work best? In this video, you'll discover Peflex, a proven mechanical ventilation system with heat recovery designed for modern, energy-efficient homes. We'll show you what the system consists of, its key components, and provide a clear overview whether you are an installer, an investor, or building your dream home. You'll learn everything you need to know about the heat recovery system, the Peflex distribution system, and RecNet Easy heat recovery units. The Peflex air distribution system is built from several key elements: manifold chambers, plenum boxes, available in plastic or stainless steel, flexible ducts connecting the manifold to the plenum box in diameters of 50, 75, and 90 millimeters, decorative supply and exhaust elements such as anemostats mounted in the plenum box, long-throw nozzles or slot diffusers, and external intake and exhaust grills. Additional elements, which we will also show, include pipes connecting the manifold to the heat recovery unit, the unit itself, and various accessories used to complete the installation. The Peflex system is a so-called manifold system, with the manifold acting as the central component. Its role is to distribute air from the main duct into individual rooms through smaller ducts of reduced diameter. With the Peflex system, you can choose between two types of manifolds. The first is the so-called Peflex Boxmaker manifold, which allows you to design a custom manifold box tailored to your installation and building. The second is the Peflex Standard manifold, where several ready-made variants are available off the shelf. The next component is the plenum box. In the Peflex system, we offer several solutions. Our basic and most popular option is the plastic plenum box, but stainless steel sheet versions are also available. What's the difference? Beyond the material itself, plastic versus metal, the plastic plenum boxes have a standard spigot size of 125 millimeters for the anemostat connection. Metal boxes, however, are available with spigot diameters ranging from 100 to 160 millimeters in both male and female connections. Another difference is in the duct connection sleeves, which are available in 50, 75, and 90 millimeters. For plastic boxes, additional versions include floor boxes with flat bottoms and ceiling-mounted boxes for direct ceiling installation. To summarize, plastic boxes, metal boxes with different spigot diameters and connection types, plus various sleeve sizes for duct connections. We also offer so-called special plenum boxes, including models for slot diffusers, through boxes, and directional boxes, which are used, for example, with long-throw nozzles. Peflex ducts connect the manifold chambers with the plenum boxes. Two duct types are available: Standard and Spectra 1000. In terms of physical properties, both are identical: the same operating temperature, compressive strength, and bending radius. The difference lies in the inner layer. Standard ducts provide up to 60% biocidal effectiveness, while Spectra 1000 ducts offer up to 99% effectiveness against bacteria, fungi, and mold. Available duct sizes are 50, 75, and 90 millimeters. To connect ducts to manifolds and plenum boxes, the system uses click-on sockets. The click-on socket, made of plastic with 4 gripping teeth and an inner seal, is used to provide a durable and airtight connection of the duct to individual components, where the assembly is a simple click. Peflex EPS 2.0 system. These are pipes and fittings made of expanded polystyrene, an increasingly popular material for connecting the heat recovery unit to the manifold or to the intake and exhaust grills. The Peflex EPS 2.0 system includes pipes with an internal diameter of 160 millimeters and external diameter of 200 millimeters, as well as pipes with an internal diameter of 200 millimeters and external diameter of 250 millimeters. Also available are elbows, including 45-degree elbows, and connecting sleeves. Assembly is simple. Slide a sleeve onto the pipe or fitting. Then connect the next element. No additional sealants such as silicone or acrylic are required. The sleeve alone guarantees airtightness. Key features of the Peflex EPS 2.0 system. Pipes and fittings are made of expanded polystyrene, which provides built-in insulation. In most cases, this eliminates the need for additional insulation. Other advantages include water resistance, low weight, and compatibility with other systems thanks to standardized internal and external diameters. The Peflex system also includes dedicated accessories and tools. The most important is a special knife for cutting ducts. Available in diameters of 50, 75, and 90 millimeters. For mounting Peflex ducts, we have these brackets for ceiling installation. When it comes to the installation of the Peflex EPS 2.0 system, we have dedicated mounting brackets that we can use for installation in the ceiling, or, for example, on a wall. And for cutting EPS 2.0 pipes, we can, for example, use these rollers. The other connecting elements in the Peflex system include a full set of sleeves, reducers, and spigots that serve to connect individual components of the installation. The next group of components are air distribution elements installed inside the rooms: anemostats, long-throw nozzles, and slot diffusers. For anemostats, Peflex offers premium versions for both supply and exhaust air, available in round or square designs in white or black. For long rooms or spaces with high ceilings, long-throw nozzles are an effective solution. Increasingly popular both for functionality and aesthetics are slot diffusers, which can be used for both supply and exhaust air. The installation also requires grills, intake and exhaust grills. Their main purpose is to protect the system against rain, snow, and entry of birds or small animals. Peflex offers grills with drip caps in several sizes: 160, 200, 250, and 315 millimeters. Color options include standard silver as well as black, white, and anthracite. Intake and exhaust grills without a drip cap are also available, for example, for soffit installation. Another common component in heat recovery systems is the filter box, which provides additional air filtration. Beyond the pre-filtration in the heat recovery unit, it enables fine filtration, removing pollen or particulate matter from smog. A filter box can be installed in two locations, between the intake and the heat recovery unit, or between the unit and the supply manifold. Depending on placement, the filter configuration varies. Typically in an intake filter box unit setup, there is a pre-filter for coarse contaminants and a fine filter. In summer, this is often an F7 filter for pollen. In winter, an F9 filter for particulate matter. An additional element that can be installed in the filter box is a preheater, designed specifically for RecNet Easy Series heat recovery units. The central component of any heat recovery system is the supply and exhaust air handling unit, commonly referred to as a heat recovery unit. RecNet offers the Easy Series, available in both H and V versions. Control solutions are also available: a standard control panel, or with the Wi-Fi module, control via mobile app. For more technical information, visit the Peflex website at peflex.eu, the RecNet website at recnet.eu, or our online sales portal, scenic24.pl.